Hi and welcome to Automan. My name's Jay. How's Modsters doing today? What I'm currently doing is I'm just doing a quick service on my car. So I've decided to clean out my air filter. So what I've done so far is I've dismantled the air box, and in the process of cleaning it out, I've still got a little bit of crap there. I've used obviously a hoover to hoover up the crap, and I've used a bucket with a little bit of detergent in to clean the air filter. I've already rinsed the air filter under the tap to get rid of the detergent in it, and now I'm just waiting for it to dry. It'll be dry since it's a hot day. It'll be dry in probably a few minutes. So going back to the job, I'm going to obviously do it in reverse for you so you know where everything goes, and hopefully that should help you out if you want to change your filter to a performance one. I have noticed a common mistake that people do when they buy a new standard filter is that they leave the protective sleeve on the filter. Now that is a big no-no. You're just going to be strangling your car for air by leaving that on. So basically quite a big restriction I found. Right then, there's a standard filter, and that had only been in the car for probably about a month before I changed it to the Pipercross. Now, the thing that I noticed on a few YouTube videos that people tend to do is they do not unsheathe the standard filter, and they leave the protective covering on it. So they've got the foam kind of polystyrene foam covering on there, and they just bang the filter. Now, you effectively are starving. You're effectively starving your car of air by doing that, because it's more restrictive. So the car will just feel sluggish. I mean, as soon as I saw that, when this was already in the car when I took it off the first time, and I noticed that it had that sleeving on, and I just started laughing, thinking, what the hell? You know, someone who's changed this filter hasn't really thought about what they're doing. So if you are servicing your car and you notice that there's a sleeve on top of this filter, it's not supposed to be there. That's just to protect it when it's new, to keep the dirt out of it when it's brand new. And when you change it, you take the sleeve off. Now, it's your preference what you want to do. You want to keep the sleeve on and have less performance. That's up to you guys. You take the sleeve off, and that's how it should fit into that air box. So that's just a quick note on what I've spotted on a few people on their YouTube videos. So they shouldn't be like that. Okay, so I'm just going to now dry this filter out a bit more. It'll dry in the car as well once I put it back in the box, because it's a hot day and I'll drive it. It'll dry out anyway. It's only got water. I'll rinse it out with water, so no detergent's going to get into the engine anyway. So I'll do that now, and then I'll fit it. Right, so just cleaning this crap out. Just a bit of baby wipe, so wipe. Let's get rid of all that crap. Not gonna do too much cleaning. It's just gonna get filthy again. Just want to get the big bits off, which I don't tidy up really. And if you look over here, that's your airflow mass meter. So that's it. Oh no, alright. Right then, I've dried the Pipercross. All that needs now, it needs a little bit of protective spray. Now, it says use Pipercross spray, but you don't have to use Pipercross. A very light spray of WD-40 over it will obviously help. It's just to stop finer particles of dust getting through the filter and into your air intake system and into the turbo. So so go ahead and just spray it up. Right, so this is how much crap came out the filter at my Pipercross. See there, I'm just going to tip it out. So you can see that that's all the dirt that it's kind of sucked in from outside. So yeah, worth a clean. Right, just needs some protective spray on it, stop the fingers. So let's do this. Not too much, just need some light spraying. Very light spray. Okay, so I'm just using this stuff, it's just maintenance spray, but you can see there it's just cleans, protects, removes and prevents rust, which is not important, stops squeaks, disperses moisture. So that's it. That's all there. Okay, that's right. Okay, so it's in. All you need to do now is put the covers back on. So let's show you how everything fits together now. This part's a bit tricky because there is fixtures here underneath here. You'll see where that goes because you need to take this. There's a plate there that you need to take off. One there, one there, one there, and there's a sneaky one right at the back there. And you'll see that when I put the cover on. So let's so I'll put the cover on and you'll be able to see better. So let's put that there somehow. This is a piece. Right, this is quite tricky. Make sure you get your cap back off, or put that back on for protecting, stop anything from going into. Yeah. So this is a really precise fit, so you have to make sure you get this right. It's got to be airtight. Okay. Sometimes you can get lucky, and I think I just did. And did get lucky. Right. Just a little bit, just finger tight. So it didn't really turn that much. Again, yeah. And that was quite loose. There we go. It's tightened. And that was pretty tight anyway. And then last one down here, and that's done. Okay. Right, there's one bolt. There's a secret bolt down there, which you'll only discover after you take the side panel off. When I'm just going to put the side panel on. There's the other one there, and then that one there, and then that one right hidden away at the back. I don't know whether you're able to see it. There it is down there. You see it? There it is. So those are the bolts. I think no. So you can see a little tab there at the back as well. So you slide it in and then you put the screw bolts in. So let's get this slid in. Okay. Try and slide it in. see there, it's slid in now. So right, I've slided that into that groove. Put the nuts on now. It should be fine. If you don't slide it into the groove, then your front box, the front intake is not going to go on. Yes, nice tight. That's nice and easy now. You've got 4 Torx bolts to go in there to hold the cabin filter tray in. So just, okay, put those bolts in. On there. So I'm just going to put the engine cover bolts back in, and that's about wraps it up for the air filter, just in case you guys are wondering how to change it. Hope you picked up a few pointers on how to change your filter to either performance or just a standard one, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time.